Hello and welcome to this video update for the Center for Video Games and Human Values here on Classroom 2.0 and on Facebook. And thanks everybody who's become a fan on Facebook over the last few days. I'm Roger Travis, Associate Professor of Classics at the University of Connecticut and Director of CVGHV. And I just want to share a bit of pre-news and then give a proposal for your consideration. The pre-news is that we're getting ready to actually do the media thing in September with what I think are some pretty cool announcements. So watch this space for news about who's involved and what's in the future and who we're partnering with, and about the courses coming up in January and in the spring. For more information on those, you can click around on the various pages for CVGHV. And the proposal is that we actually try to get a first version, a pilot version of a virtual symposium going about character in video games, which seems like a fun topic, especially now since there are some really smart bloggers saying some really interesting things about it around on the web. So I'm going to start a couple of threads on the Facebook page, I think, if that works, since it seems like it's a little easier for people to find us there. In any case, I'm going to start one about avatar characters, people like Master Chief and your characters in World of Warcraft and Lord of the Rings Online, and another one about non-player characters that you've known and loved in games like Oblivion and also games like Halo and Bioshock. And I invite you to contribute your favorites in either place, and also to reflect on why it is that you find those characters memorable. And I guess this could be good or bad. And the other thing I want to do is start a meta thread about how this kind of virtual symposium might work in terms of who contributes and then who comments, and whether it should just be a free-for-all or whether we should try to have some structure, and if we have a structure, what that structure should look like. So that's my proposal, and I'll start the threads and we'll see what happens. But it seems like it might be a great idea at this point to have something waiting when we get an influx of people who are interested in figuring out what's really going on when some of the media starts coming out. So that's my proposal, and that's the pre-news, and thanks for coming over, and I'll see you next time.